Welcome to our channel. Today we how to access Peacock shows through Xfinity Flex. Content access guide step by step clearly. Turn on your TV and make sure your Xfinity Flex streaming box is powered on. Press the Xfinity button on your Flex remote to open the main menu. Check that your Flex box is connected to the internet by opening Settings and confirming network is connected. If you are not connected, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password using the on-screen keyboard. Return to the home screen by pressing the Xfinity button again. Go to the Apps section from the main menu. Use the arrow keys to navigate until you find the Peacock app. If you do not see Peacock, select Search and type Peacock to locate it. Select the Peacock app and choose Install if it is not already installed. Wait until the installation finishes and the Open button appears. Select Open to launch Peacock on your Xfinity Flex device. On the Peacock welcome screen, choose Sign in if you already have a Peacock account. If you do not have an account, choose Sign up and follow the on-screen steps to create one. When prompted, enter your email address and password carefully. If you see an activation option, choose Activate and note the code shown on your TV. On your phone or computer, open a browser and go to the activation web address shown on the TV screen. Sign into your Peacock account on the website if asked. Enter the activation code exactly as displayed, then confirm to link your device. Return to your TV and wait a few seconds for Peacock to refresh and sign you in. From the Peacock homepage, use Search to find the show you want to watch. Select the show title to open its details page. Choose the season and episode you want. Then select Play. If playback does not start, check your internet connection and restart the Peacock app. To restart the app, press and hold the Exit button. Then relaunch Peacock from Apps. If you get a subscription message, confirm which Peacock plan you have and upgrade if needed. For better streaming quality, move your router closer or use a stronger Wi-Fi connection if available. To manage subtitles, open the playback menu and select the captions or audio settings. When you are finished watching, press the Xfinity button to exit Peacock and return to Flex Home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.